You can make a general journal entry by clicking Day to Day, then Journals. The journal screen will open, and here you'll see a list of existing journal entries. To create a new entry, click the Add button. The minimum information required is marked with a red asterisk. First, enter a date for the entry. The amounts line will show the tax selection specified in your book. In this example, it's gross tax inclusive. If no preference was made, you can select an option. Next, enter an explanation of the journal in the summary field. Add any further descriptions if needed. If this is an adjusting journal, tick the Adjusting Journal checkbox. Now, you can enter the details of this journal. The fields you'll be required to complete will vary depending on your inputs. Select the first of your accounts for this journal. In this example, that is non-current liabilities. Then, enter the amount in either the debit or credit field. Next, enter a tax code if one applies. The amount of tax will appear in the tax column, which will be calculated according to your tax settings. Take note that the trans type field pre-fills to indicate whether it's a sale or purchase. If no tax code is selected, this field becomes inaccessible. Enter a narration or contact details if required. Click the Add New Row button to add the second account. Next, complete the other details as required. Please ensure that the total debits equal the total credits and review to ensure everything is correct. And when you're ready, click on Save and Close. You'll be taken back to the journal list screen where you'll see your new entry in the list. Thanks so much for watching. For more support, please visit us at help.reckon.com or join our community at community.reckon.com.